good morning. You're watching the latest news bulletin here on Times Now. This is First Break. I'm Amita Wadhwa.
I'm Hina Gambhir, and these are the headlines that we're tracking for you at 7 a.m. this Thursday morning.
It's the big test for political candidates in 5 states. Times Now will bring you 100 hours of relentless coverage of the exit polls.
All eyes will be set on the heart of India. Poll results in Uttar Pradesh to decide mandate for 2019.
While the political parties continue to claim majority, bookies in Uttar Pradesh have showed power shift towards the BJP.
While the BJP has claimed victory with over 200 seats, Sangh remains conservative, predicts 160 plus seats for BJP.
It's a fierce three-way fight between the BJP, Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party. Who will bag the state of Punjab?
Race for the Manipur Assembly gets close. Will Congress retain power of the fourth consecutive time?
He has put nation before blood. Terror suspect's father refuses to take his body, gives a lesson to terror sympathizers.
After threat to a senior cop, J&K top cop gives out a clear warning to terrorists: keep family out.
After Tamil Nadu, Kerala says no to foreign beverages. Traders announce ban from the 14th of this month.
Madras court to hear plea over actor Dhanush's parentage row. Will actor undergo DNA test to end all controversies?
And let's begin the bulletin with the top story that we are tracking at the moment, where a 2-month-long election process has ended in UP with the 7th phase of polling recording a turnout of over 60%.
Now, the focus, of course, is on March 11th, the result day. While the BJP has predicted a confident number of 200 plus, the Sangh has projected a conservative number of 160 plus seats. Here's a report.
I am joined by someone who are very much from this particular city of Varanasi. We did not want to get anyone who is not from this particular city, because they would be able to tell you in a better way as to how Varanasi has progressed over the years. I am joined by Samajwadi Party state spokesperson Manoj Rai. Sir, you are Manoj Rai. I also have with me Congress spokesperson Kamlakar Tripathi, and also with me I have someone who has been a member of State Women Commission, because remember UP has been alleged of not having a proper law and order situation, and Akhilesh Yadav government is being accused of not being able to maintain a proper law and order situation, especially for women. I have with me Sheila Chaturvedi. She has been one of the members of State Women Commission. I also have with me some of the ground level workers of the Congress here. He is Mr. Jantraleshwar Yadav. He has been working very closely at the cadre level for the party. So I'll come to you first. We have seen hectic campaigning in and around Varanasi over the past few days. In fact, all the ministers of the BJP government were camping here. How do you see this? What do you think is the real reason behind it?
The real reason is quite much obvious, Prashant ji, because they claim that Narendra Modi has done so much, but nothing has been done concrete, nothing has been done on the floor. That is why formerly they were having sitting MLAs there and nobody else to campaign. Right now they are having more than 20 cabinet ministers, and Amit Shah and Narendra Modi itself camping, PM camping in one constituency, in his own constituency for 3 days.
तमाम घटनाएं होती रही हैं पिछले 60 महीनों में, पिछले 5 साल में, बट अभी जब चुनाव हो रहा है उस वक्त आपके एक टेंटेड मिनिस्टर ही इज एब्सकॉन्डिंग, आपकी पुलिस उसको नहीं पकड़ पा रही है। गायत्री प्रजापति स्टिल
बाल्यानी जी पे भी कोई कमेंट करिए।
देखिए, मुझे लगता है कि आप पता नहीं ये समझ पा रहे हैं नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं। डीएम और एसएसपी का ट्रांसफर तो चुनाव कर रहा है, हमारे हाथ में रहता तो हम पाताल से खोज लाते गायत्री प्रजापति को, लेकिन हमारे हाथ में तो है नहीं पुलिस लॉ एंड ऑर्डर। फिर ये सवाल मुझसे क्यों, ये सवाल मोदी जी दिल्ली में बैठे हैं, चुनाव आयुक्त दिल्ली में बैठे हैं, उनसे क्यों नहीं की जाती?
जो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर है वो सही है। आप एक समाजवादी पार्टी की नेता भी हैं, बट क्या आप ये आज कह सकती हैं शान से कि हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश में लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का कंडीशन बिल्कुल सही है?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही है, इसमें कहीं दो राय नहीं है, बिल्कुल सही है। बीजेपी के लोग इस तरह माइंड को घुमाते हैं।
तो क्या आप सही कहना चाह रही हैं? तो बुलंदशहर में जो हुआ, एक सेकंड मैडम, जो बुलंदशहर में जो हुआ क्या वो सही था? क्या हापुड़ में जो हुआ वो सही था? क्या मेरठ में जो हुआ वो सही था? किसका आप कैसे कह रही हैं कि लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सही है?
जहाँ भी अगर होता है
सही था, बिल्कुल कह रही है।
नहीं सही नहीं है, कार्रवाई की जाती है और उसको हवा देने का काम, जैसे बदायूं का एक कांड हुआ था, उसमें माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी जांच कराए, दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो गया। वहाँ पर क्या समस्या थी और बदनाम किया गया समाजवादी पार्टी के लिए। माननीय
आप महिला आयोग में रह चुकी है मैडम, यहाँ पे आप कैसे कह सकती हैं कि हापुड़, बुलंदशहर और इतने तमाम जगह पे इतनी चीजें होने के बाद आप कैसे कह सकती हैं कि आपके राज्य में चुनाव का जो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का सिचुएशन है वो सही है?
नहीं, ये तो है, तो बिल्कुल सही है। कहीं कहीं हो गई होगी ऐसी दुर्घटना, उसके लिए दिल की गहराइयों से हमें भी दुखी, हम लोग भी दुखी होते हैं, परेशानी तो होती है।
लेकिन आपके जो सीनियर मिनिस्टर है वो आके कहते हैं कि हमारे अपोजिशन की साजिश है।
नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं है। कहीं कहीं ऐसी घटनाएं हो जाती है जो बीजेपी उसको हवा के दे। देखिए, कुछ ऐसी जगह होती है जो अपनों के द्वारा ही इस तरह उत्पीड़न कर लिया मतलब हो जाता है, तो उसको हवा के रूप में बना दिया जाता है। बाद में जब उसको जांच की जाती है तो पता चलता है कि ये अपनों की साजिश थी।
Battle lines are drawn. The last ballot is cast. You don't have to wait till the 11th for the results. For the most scientific result projection with the broadest survey base. Watch Times Now exit polls on 9th March from 5 p.m. onwards. India's election news headquarters.
From Uttar Pradesh, let's now focus on what's happening in Punjab. The battle for Punjab came to a close on 4th of February and now all eyes are on the results. It's been a three-way battle in Punjab between Aam Aadmi Party, Congress and the Shiromani Akali Dal.
Absolutely, it's a high-stakes battle. While it was the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal who carried forward Aam Aadmi Party's campaign in Punjab, the Congress on the other hand put up Patiala's Captain Amrinder Singh as the party's face in the elections. The Akali Dal BJP continued campaigning with the Modi wave.
नो डाउट इस बार जो इलेक्शन है वो 3 कॉर्नर्ड इलेक्शन है। कांग्रेस पार्टी, अकाली दल बीजेपी और आम आदमी जो पहली बार विधानसभा इलेक्शन यहाँ पे फाइट कर रही है। जो मैं आपके चैनल पे दुनिया का और देश का बड़ा चैनल है, यहाँ पे पॉलिटिकल बात नहीं करूँगा। 100% जो कंपटीशन बिटवीन मालवा में कांग्रेस पार्टी और आम आदमी पार्टी है और माझा और दोआबा में बिटवीन कांग्रेस पार्टी अकाली दल बीजेपी है। दैट्स वाई और आम आदमी पार्टी जो अपना सीट शेयर लेगी तो वो सीट शेयर वो मालवा में लेगी। Because Malwa has got 69 seats out of 117, तो इसलिए जो एक चाहे सर्वेज में भी आ रहा है, चाहे बार बार रिपोर्ट्स भी हैं, क्योंकि बड़ा हिस्सा मालवा का है और वहाँ पे आम आदमी और कांग्रेस में कंपटीशन है, इसलिए कहीं ना कहीं ये मैं आपसे 100% कह सकता हूँ। जो मैं भी इलेक्शन जलालाबाद में लड़ा, कांग्रेस पार्टी और कंपटीशन जो मुकाबला है वो आम आदमी से है। कांग्रेस और आम आदमी और बहुत पीछे अकाली दल जो है और बीजेपी वो बहुत नीचे 3rd नंबर पे है, पुअर 3rd है। इसलिए जो एक आम आदमी का जो गेन आ रहा है वो क्यों आ रहा है, क्योंकि अकाली दल और बीजेपी की वोट जो है बिल्कुल वो शिफ्ट कर गई है आम आदमी की तरफ।
Depending on the performance of SAD-BJP government for the last 10 years, I am confident that Shiromani Akali Dal BJP alliance will come back with thumping majority.
Talk about, sir, sector-wise, area-wise. If you talk about Malwa, Majha, Doaba, now how do you see Shiromani Akali Dal doing in Malwa region, sir?
I think this time the performance of SED-BJP candidates in Malwa will definitely improve.
What are the expectation of the seat number, sir?
I think we will increase the number of seats we are holding at present. Definitely we will hold. But you can see in the long campaign, there was no issue against the government.
That is my another question, sir. Anti-incumbency, 10 years of rule. Shiromani Akali Dal was under fire from Aam Aadmi Party and Congress Party. Now, Aam Aadmi said there was an emotional issue of sacrilege. Do you think these issues really played an important role on the mind of the voters?
Generally, there are 2 or 3 issues against any government. One is non-performance. That issue was not there in our election. Second is the development. All the opponents, they were convinced that development has taken place. They could not negate this factor that unprecedented development has taken place in Punjab. And third, there was no allegation of corruption against any of the ministers or any of the party leaders in the election. There was no scandal against the government. The recruitment process which has taken place was totally transparent, and people of the state, they were convinced in the recruitment of teachers, in the recruitment in the police, and recruitment of employees in the other sector of the society.
We are sure of repeat, and this will be our hat trick, and there is no confusion among us or Akali Dal.
It's good that you are saying, but the perception is that this time it will be either the Congress or Aam Aadmi Party. So are you saying that they will not be getting more seats?
You said perception, the reality is with us.
So you somewhere feel that by joining hands and sticking on with your coalition partner Akalis, somewhere the BJP has committed a mistake, because there was a lot of anger we have seen during the campaigning also. There was a lot of anger against Akalis.
For BJP, nation is first. And when you talk about the alliance in Punjab, the most important consideration for us is peace and harmony in Punjab. And this alliance has granted it. Second, I like to remember whole of India, especially Punjabis, that post 84 riots, Sikhs were branded as terrorists all over Punjab, all over India, and they were not respected. It is this alliance which brought back them into mainstream. It is this alliance which give them back that respect. So this alliance is for peace and harmony of Punjab, not for power. BJP's motto is nation first, then come other things.